Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share this video. In this video here I am using multicolor of yarn. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful leaf pattern. This is the perfect tutorial for beginners, so let's get started. Just hold yarn like this. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and just pull it through the loop like this. You see clearly here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on top. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. You see clearly how I make this. Just repeat same pattern and make 17 more, and total of we have 20 in the last. Just repeat same pattern, just yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here my 20 chains complete. Next we're gonna make single crochet, skip first chain, and into the second chain we're gonna insert a hook, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops on hook. Just yarn over and pull it to loop. Insert a hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Insert a hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Insert a hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly here we have single crochet stitch. Just repeat same pattern. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Make 1 single crochet in each chain below. Repeat same pattern until you reach in the end. I complete my first row. Now in the last chain we're gonna make 3 single crochet in last chain. Just remember, first we're gonna make 1 single crochet in each chain until you reach in the end, and in the last chain we're gonna make 3 for making a turn. Here you see clearly I make 3 and make a turn. Now repeat same pattern on the other side of the chain loop. Make 1 single crochet in each chain below. Like this. Insert your hook in another side, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. You see clearly how I make this. Just repeat same pattern. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. You see clearly. Just repeat same pattern until you reach in the last third chain. Here I complete my second row. I skip 3 chains from the last. Here I make last stitch. You see clearly skip 3 chain in the last, like from here, for making leaf sepal. Next we're gonna make chain 1 and just turn your work. You see clearly how I make this. Just chain 1 and turn your work. Here we have 2 chain loop on hook. We're gonna make this pattern only in back loop. Just insert your hook into the back loop and make single crochet stitch. Like insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Repeat same pattern. Make 1 single crochet in each chain below, but still remember only in back loop. Don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. Like this. You see clearly how I make this. Just insert your hook into the back loop, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Repeat same pattern until you reach in the middle. Here I reach in the middle chain. Now in the middle chain make 1 single crochet, then chain 1 on top, then again 1 single crochet into same chain, like this. This pattern we're gonna make only in middle chain, and just repeat same pattern. Make one single crochet in each chain below, but only remember only in back loop. Here my second round complete. Just follow its step. Skip 2 chains in the last. As usual, we're gonna make on another side. Now chain 1 and just turn your work. Make single crochet again only in back loop. You see clearly. Here I make single crochet stitch only in back loop. In this tutorial, only the middle stitch will be different. Just repeat same pattern, one single crochet in each chain below, only in back loop. Here I reach in the middle chain. Now make single crochet, then chain 1 on top. You see clearly how I make this. Just repeat same pattern. I will show you clearly. Here we have leaf. Now you see clearly we skip 2 chains in the last and just repeat same pattern. And in the middle chain we're gonna make one single crochet and chain 1 and one single crochet into the same chain. You see clearly how I make this. Repeat same pattern, skip 3 chains in the last and just turn it. You see clearly, chain 1 and just turn it, chain 1 and just turn it. In the last 3 chain skip and make chain 1 and just turn your work like this, chain 1 and just turn, and again make single crochet stitch into the back loop. Just repeat same pattern and make total of 4 rows. Here my 4 rows complete. Now I'm gonna make my last row like 5th row. Just repeat same pattern, one single crochet into the back loop only. Here I reach into the middle part, then again chain 1 on top, make one single crochet into the same chain below, and just repeat same pattern, one single crochet in each chain below but only in back loop. Here I reach in the last. You see clearly. Now chain 1 on top and pull the yarn over. You see clearly I skipped 3 chains in the last, chain 1 and pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Pull the leftover yarn and secure your work and then pull it tightly. You see clearly how I make this. Now hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Like this. This step make your work neat and clean. You see clearly how it look. If If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Here I make total of 12 leaves for my next project, so subscribe my YouTube channel and stay with me for my next project. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.